Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome to the van cave. The paneling is in progress. As of yesterday's video, I showed you I'm doing the layout and all that. Gonna go ahead and get my holes drilled up there in where I messed up. Forgot about the plumbing. Gonna get that cut out up there, that little plastic area. I went ahead and marked out the straight lines, the straight edge on the template. I'll pull that off so we can cut that out later. Alrighty, well, let's get going on this. First is the holes for the tubing, plumbing, plastic, and then we can start cutting wood. Alright, be back. Okay, I'll show you underneath where that'll come out. I'll put the light right here. We'll go underneath and you'll be able to see where it comes out. So let's go underneath. There's the hole. See this big thing here? There's a rubber plug in here. So the tubes will just come out and hang. Maybe I'll attach them somehow. But that'll be the emergency overfill for the boat tanks. No flooding in the van. Okay, well I got one more to cut. Then we're looking good. All right. I won't tell if you don't. All that does is attach the wood anyway. That'll work. One big oops over with. Got the holes cut. Painted them so that no rust. Vacuumed them out. Cool. All right. That's done. Now, up there, gotta use a Dremel. Clean this up a little bit right here. Alrighty, get going on this. that looks good. Take a little file and clean that up or sand it. See, wood will come up, fit right in here, go back behind here, and once again, I might even trim more of this when I go to block, but at least I can get the paneling on here. So, good enough for now. Cool. Still a shame you have to cut something. Oh well, part of the build. All right, now I think we can actually put a piece of paneling in. Have to think about it a minute, have a cup of coffee, and get busy. All right. Okay, very first piece. Got the wires notched out. I ain't worried about this. That's all going to get molding. This is actually going to get boxed with wood. So I just went ahead and cut that straight. This meets up nice. That's as far as up as I can go. Get it squared up. Put a little glue on it. Run a few screws and see what it is. So, alright. Is what it is. There it is. The start. Yay. Alright, get busy. There it is, first piece. Long ways to go. Pretty good looking stuff though, huh? Nice. Alright, well, on to the next. Yay! Well, everything's curved. It gets wider towards the back, so oh well, it'll turn out. Gonna take a while. Plus, I don't have the right screws. Oh, well, I did, but I'm out of them. So, means in the morning I'm gonna have to go get some supplies. Dagnabbit. Alright. Well, I'm gonna call this a video. You can see the paneling starting to go in. It's pretty good looking stuff. It's good enough for now. There'll be trim and that kind of stuff later. That probably won't even happen until in the fall. If I'm gonna get everything sealed up, insulated, covered, best I can. Down here, this stuff here is only gonna run to here because the bed box is gonna cover all that. Battery box and bed. Same way with over here. I only have to run, let's see, down to here. Except for back there, that'll go all the way to the floor. So, all right, onward we go. All right, well, thanks for watching. Talk soon.